sort of truck is this?
1957 f600 POS. Ford.
Alright, that was a long-winded effort.
Yeah. And we're trying to fix up all this rust. Because if you're 57, how was that? 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 207, 2017.
63.
63 years old, you're bound to have some rust.
So you nearly have rust in you then?
I'm nowhere near 63. I feel like it sometimes, but I'm nowhere near 63. So, this is about the last sort of panel beating I've got to do on this old girl, and let's fix up these rust holes in the guards.
Now we can all see he's wearing eye protection here.
I shut my eyes, it's okay. Do as I say, not as I do. I've got some welding master here somewhere, and I'll put that on in a minute. Let me find the quality panel beating hammers. Someone cleaned up my shed the other day, and they should be shot. When someone else cleans up my shed, they put shit in the wrong spot. It wasn't my wife this time, which normally is. My stupid brother, because he got sick of tripping over shit. What do you know? Found it.
Oh, he put it away, did he?
Yeah. So I'm not very much of a panel beater, but I cut out these little patches, weld them, tack them in. Helps you turn that on as well. Now I can't see shit. Probably need a little bit more heat in that, but I'll... As a welder, I make a pretty good grinder.
What about your brother, Heath? Is he a good welder?
No, he can't weld for shit.
Well, nice welds down there though.
No, I did that.
No, you
I had to
didn't.
go and fix them after he got there. That dipshit should be out here doing this. Oh, I should probably turn that down a little bit.
So I take it this is why you're a mechanic, not a welder or a panel beater?
You see, the big thing you got to realise as a mechanic, sorry, as a panel beater, is panel beating takes time. And I'm a mechanic, and we like to get things done, and we like to get them done now. Those two things don't interact real well together. You're better off taking your time, because I'll stuff this up no end. There'll be holes in it everywhere, but it's a race truck. I'm going to treat the thing like shit once I get it going. It's just going to be sent full noise on the high line, so I'm not that worried about it, but don't ever ask me to restore a car for you, because it'll be pretty shabby. Fuck that, I'll cut that off a bit long. Don't use the hammer as a chisel ever. Work though. Something you do good at it when you're a mechanic is welding up holes that you burnt in there. You get pretty good at that after a while.
How's that look?
Pretty fucking good. Let me get my flappy disc going.
Your thoughts, guys? How do you think he went? So these original guards you got with the truck?
But no, I bought these guards. The original guards are on it. We're just rusted out and stuff. So I was going to try and repair them, but it would have been a big effort. These have got some rust holes in them, but nothing like the ones that I pulled off it. The whole bottom half of the guard down here and the other ones was all like plastic and bogging. So yeah, found another set of guards that aren't half reasonable, and yeah, grind this off and hopefully it comes up alright.
So you want hell of a grinder?
Yeah, I make a better grinder than I do a welder. Look at that. Only half a kilo of bog and that'll come up beautiful. So, that's how a dodgy bloke fixes rust. I've got to do that another 437 times and this sucker will be ready for some paint. Yeah. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, do all that shit. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.